How to set the home screen mode to light, dark, or automatic on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button. Then from the pop-up, tap on customize. In here, you can choose between light mode, dark mode, or automatic. So select one of the options. Now these settings only apply to your home screen. It does not apply the dark mode throughout your system. So here, if I swipe down, you can see everything stays normal. If I go into my settings menu, it is in light mode. So the settings only applied to your home screen. And that's it. So if I go back to my lock screen, you can see it is still in bright mode. But if I go back to my home screen, it is in dark mode. So here, if I touch and hold and then tap on edit, then customize, I can go back to my light mode or use automatic. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.